We spent the last 4 years building a rock-solid foundation for a successful commercial EV company here. We built around 4 pillars: people, products, processes, and partners. We've accumulated a great team that's got extensive experience in the automotive and commercial truck industry. They know what they're doing to design, test, build, and service trucks.
At Motiv and Workhorse, we're about medium-duty electric trucks. In fact, if you just look around right now, most of the things near you probably arrived on a medium-duty truck. Medium-duty trucks are the lifeblood of the American commerce system. According to industry data, medium-duty electric truck market is about a $23 billion a year annual opportunity. Both companies have already proven themselves to be leading brands in the space. Collectively, Motiv and Workhorse have delivered about 1,000 trucks, and we've traveled collectively about 17 million miles. In fact, we now serve 10 of the largest fleets in North America. Our customers have come to support and trust that we can deliver quality trucks. On the investor call a few weeks ago, I described this transaction as a chocolate meets peanut butter kind of moment. Workhorse's terrific step van body and network of truck dealers will combine with Motiv's history with developing multi-order national account relationships and smart hub-based electrification system that dramatically reduces the amount of labor required to build these trucks.
The W56 is the best Class 5/6 step van in the marketplace.
Perhaps the best of all is that together we'll be able to drive down the cost of manufacturing these trucks, and we'll be able to compete very directly with internal combustion engines on total cost of ownership. We believe that by fully integrating these two companies to offer a complete range of Class 4 through 6 products developed with commonized hardware, software, batteries, and other key components, we'll put ourselves in a strong position to deliver great products and deliver great outcomes for our customers.
We've built the foundation.
And now we're ready to capture the market. Together, Workhorse and Motiv are positioned to win the medium-duty EV market, deliver unmatched value to fleets, and create lasting growth for our shareholders.
And the only way to secure the long-term success of the company is to vote for the Workhorse Motiv merger. We appreciate your support.